White House, Senior Policy Advisor Stephen Miller. Stephen, thanks so much for joining us and Happy New Year.
Thanks.
Good to see you.
Good to be here. So
President Trump and the White House have been calling the Russia investigation a witch hunt and a nothing burger, but obviously in this new Michael Wolff book, Fire and Fury, Bannon offered a different take on the Trump Tower meeting between Donald Trump Jr., Jared Kushner, Paul Manafort, and these other officials, including a Russian lawyer. He called it treasonous and unpatriotic, and he said that, quote, the chance that Don Jr. did not walk these Jamos up to his father's office on the 26th floor is zero. Did President Trump meet with any of the so-called Jamos who were in that Trump Tower meeting?
Steve Bannon's eloquence in that description, no.
I'll tell you, I don't have it here. That Fire and Fury book, that Michael Wolff, he'll be out here in a minute just to talk about that. That book really got under the president's skin because he thinks that thing is fake media. And the White House has had a tough week dealing with the allegations in that book. So this weekend they sent out senior
DSP Radio Movie PRP Radio RDS Bluetooth Z-Link Car-Link, sorry. Okay. Google Maps
policy advisor and shaved Pauly Shore, Stephen Miller. Wow, is that him? Seems like a happy guy. Miller.